Hey guys, Jody Garner with you here at Burton Campers in Calera, Alabama. We get asked a lot of questions about Wi-Fi. How do we get Wi-Fi inside of our units? Well, today we're going to show you our 2021 models are coming with a new Wi-Fi router already installed. We're going to show you how to take it down, what you need to take to your local cellular provider, and then how to reinstall it. So here you'll see I'm going to pull down on the tab and push towards the center of the unit. Just simply pulling each one of the plugs out. One of them does have the thumb lock there. Now here, I'm going to show you that it does have numbers on it, so you're going to want to take this in with you. And also, just leave your SIM card in it while you're taking it down to the cellular provider, and then they will either activate that one or give you a new one. And then here, we're just simply sliding it back down into its holster and clipping it back in. Then, of course, just remember where your wire is plugged back into. Once you get it reinstalled, turn it on, and you're good to go. And guys, it's simple as that with getting Wi-Fi into your new 2021 luxury product. If you have any questions about this, give us a call. Burton Campers in Calera, 205-668-0075, or go to our website at burtoncampers.com and send us a message.